Hi, my name is Shonda, and I'm here to tell you that I passed my NCLEX Next Gen with ReMar. So I used the V2 program. I passed with 85 questions. This was my first time taking my NCLEX, and I couldn't have done it without ReMar's V2 program. I like that she had a study session outline. I followed it to a T. I also printed out like the little packets for each of the sections that I was studying and filled in the notes. The program was very simple to follow. I like how the videos was just short and to the point, and it made studying easier for me with all of the sections. I struggled with labor and delivery, EKG, which she actually made that easier for me to understand. I couldn't have done it without the way she broke it down for me. I would recommend this program to any of my friends or just anyone out there who's trying to pass the NCLEX. I don't care if you've taken it more than once. This program is a worth investment. I really believe in the program. I like how her and her husband are also spiritual, and they pray. And I felt that was helpful too. I'm also spiritual, and I prayed plenty of times to help me get through this program. But I just want to say thank you, ReMar, for your hard work and just the dedication for helping those people just try to pass their NCLEX. It's an amazing program, and I hope you continue to keep blessing us with your knowledge. Thank you again, and good luck to those who are out there getting ready to take their NCLEX.